Hello beauty queens, AyuQuinn here. Let's make a natural body cream today. I applied this natural body cream for 14 days and the result is truly amazing. I'll show you the results in the video. I'm not a fan of artificial beauty products because the results of artificial beauty products are temporary and there are a lot of side effects. When we stop using them, all the instant results will vanish. Before we make it, I'll show you my real results. See my hand before 14 days. Now it has this color. Isn't this amazing? Okay, let's start making this amazing body cream. For this we need 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 cup of raw milk, 5 grams of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't have turmeric or olive oil, don't worry. You can make this body cream only with carrot and raw milk. Now take 1 washed carrot and cut the top of it. Now grate it or cut into small pieces. Carrots are rich in vitamin C, which can help fade pigmentation and smooth the skin surface to reduce dullness. Also, it could give skin a fresh glow. Carrots are a rich source of potassium that helps treat dry skin and keeps your skin glowing. Carrots are used to treat fine line and wrinkles also. Now let's add grated carrot to the bowl. Then add 1 cup of milk, turmeric and olive oil. It's better if you can add some turmeric because it has powerful biological properties. Turmeric is used for acne because it can cure pimples and breakouts. It removes redness from the acne and other types of scarring, reduces inflammation and helps to get rid of skin discolorations. Olive oil helps to promote the glow of the skin. Now keep it on the low fire for 10 minutes until it becomes a fine batter. Keep mixing it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see a fine paste. Now let it cool. Then blend this well for 2 minutes to make it creamy. Now it's ready. Take it into a container. You can apply it on your face and skin. Make this at home, apply it in your face and skin. We are waiting to see the results. See you beauty queens in the next video. Bye bye.